Welcome everyone. Well, this is a quick recap of today's trades. Well, I must say we did very well. The London session ended up pretty nicely. We called out a trade, and overall I ended the day almost at $900, 886 across the evaluation accounts. I'm copy trading 3 evaluation accounts at once, but I also did a $300 on my funded account at TopStep. But anyway, the system was actually indicating a very nice long trade in the London session. This was live, and this was like a beautiful trade, beautiful fair value gap here, entered live on stream. And then after that I also entered one more here with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And as the day went by and the market opened up, I had a loss here as well. It stopped me out on NQ. So this is still NQ. And then I had a second stop out on NQ. I was so sure that we were going to drop lower, but it is what it is. But the Russell was actually doing very great. This trade, I called it out in the morning as well. So this was also a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, also on live stream. And after that there was another signal here, but I had a loss on, well, after market open I had a loss with the Russell, but then I had a 2 to 1 win again. So that's why I love this system, because the risk to reward ratio is actually it's superb. It is, well, I made a lot of back testing, so it should be optimal for 1 to 2, and I just actually love it. And here you go, a little bit of a insight of how these trades were showing up. These were the 2 ones that I had a loss. Actually, I had 2 losses here. Yeah, this was, no, I think I took 1. Oh, sorry. I had 1 trade that ended up, hold on, my computer is freezing. I had 1 trade on the Russell right here, this one, that also, I mean, this ended up in a loss, and this one ended up in a loss. So not everything is always picture perfect, but if you manage your risk, that's all that counts. Anyway, the accounts are doing well, and here is my Bulenox account. Yesterday we finished the day at $940. Now I'm up to 1,234, and let's check the my funded futures account. Yesterday finished 229, now at 516. And the Apex account that is linked to this group is also up, so we're up to 464. So we're trading everything with micros, and also, which is not, I mean, I don't count it, but the Express funded account from TopStep, yesterday we finished at 1,025, now up to 1,310. But I want to build this account up much more. Anyway, the Bulenox account is the, how should I say, I started this the earliest, so that's why it's up the most besides the others. But I do want to link at least 1 more prop firm, just in case some of them goes down. But still, I think it was an amazing day. The system showed great results. So if you guys want to check it out, why I go with these kind of trades, go to pip.ninja, watch my 5-minute video there, and I can explain to you why I use this system. So we're moving forward, and you know, I try to keep up with the updates, and the goal is actually to reach at least, well, you know, the way I look at it is I just have to reach $6,000 or 6,600 actually, because at Bulenox the minimum threshold has to stay at least 2,600. So the goal is very simple. I just have to make $6,600 with the system. That's it. and then I can start to withdraw from each and every account. And this is where we're heading. I know there's still a long way to go. I don't even count where we're going to finish with the funding phase. That's still just halfway, less than halfway. So we're getting there slowly with micros. And the reason also why I'm doing this is that I want to prove to you guys that if you're taking it with slow steps, you can still get there. I want to get there as well, because I don't want to just have like one funded account or two. I want to build up multiple accounts with multiple companies, multiple prop firms, because you have to play the safe game and build up multiple income streams. Anyway, let's do it together. Join on the live streamings in London and New York, and grab your discount codes and check out my video at pip.ninja. See you guys in the live streams.